Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A thread weaving border, beautiful collection, turning design. The complete saree have no zari concept. Very beautiful collection, workmanship needed for this. Traditional weaving, dark purple shade color, very elegant one with arrow design, small buttas done using orange and light blue color. And here the light blue is used for the turning design, big border. Meena work done using orange. Elegant one, very beautiful. With same color blouse piece and pallu. And pallu also have the thread weaving here and very beautiful Meena work concept. Very elegant one too. With plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent shade saree. Completely hand weaved, beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread border collection with an exclusive color combinations. Here we have a beautiful combo, dark brown, coffee brown in a darker shade body with beautiful arrow buttas. Buttas are done using copper zari and silver zari alternatively. Borderless concept on the top and very beautiful thread turning border on the bottom. Pink is used here and the Meena work is done using the copper and silver thread jaris. Excellently it's been done, a beautiful workmanship. And we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is a Rani pink here with the both sarees used, mostly copper with the silver zari Meena work. And we have plain Rani pink pallu. Blouse. This pallu color blouse piece it is, and the combination is very different. Dark color is also very nice with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread border weaving collection. The complete saree is having thread weaving, no zari concept at all at the saree. Very excellent dark shade color, dark green, algae green in a darker shade. Beautiful one. You can see the arrow shaped small buttas, pink and yellow used for the butta weaving, and we have the yellow used for the, it's almost an orangish yellow color. Very beautiful one. Turning design border, and we have Meena work done using the opposite zari, the opposite thread color, that is pink, and we have same concept in the pallu also. Pallu have very beautiful Meena work. You can see mostly the orangish color is used for the weaving, and we have the Meena work done using the pink, and we have same color pallu. Completely traditional weaving process, beautiful workmanship here, completely hand woven, elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread turning design border sarees. The complete saree have thread work only, no zari at all in this saree. A very elegant color too, dual tone color. Bright orange is mixed with pink to get a beautiful shade it is. Pink and red mixed color, very beautiful and attractive color it is with the thread buttas, arrow shape, green and dark blue used for the butta weaving. A completely hand weaved, beautiful saree. The borderless concept at top and a turning design border at the bottom. Big turning design. You can see the thread work. Meena work is also done using the opposite zari color, the thread color. Green is used totally, and Meena work is done using blue. And the pallu is also here in the same body color. Completely thread work, Meena work, beautiful pallu. Workmanship saree, contains a lot of labor with plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent saree, beautiful combination, and the work is also a premium traditional work with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big turning border design sarees in a very elegant color combo. Here we have a beautiful red saree with mild pink tinge. The warp is red, pure red, and the waft is a mild pink color which gives a beautiful shade, almost red, with very elegant thread worked booties, small buttas, the arrow type, completely thread work with the silk thread used for the weaving. And we have a big turning design border, completely thread worked turning border it is. You can see the color choice, the contrast, mustard color is used for the weaving and pink is used here for Meena work. Very elegant one, excellent weaving one with a pink and mustard yellow alternatively weaved for the arrow buttas here. Completely handcrafted work. You see the color, beautiful one, completely in single color. And even the pallu we have the Meena work and thread work concept. Silk thread is used. Very elegant work, completely handcrafted, traditional weaving method with a plain blouse piece in same color. Elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double back. A very beautiful thread turning border collection in beautiful color. Here we have a dual tone color. The complete saree have no zari concept at all. It's completely thread work one. And the color of the saree is also very beautiful green mixed with mild brown. To get a beautiful tone, you can see a goldish green shade. Very elegant one with buttas, arrow shape done using dark magenta pink and blue. Beautiful one. The top portion is completely borderless and a very pretty pink turning border in the bottom. And Veena work is done using the dark blue color. Full work is done in the thread work concept. Excellent and elegantly it's been done. A fine weaving, completely handmade, and same body color pallu with again the Veena work, the beautiful thread work pallu. Very beautiful and excellently done saree with the plain blouse piece and same saree. Excellent thread work concept, very rare collection with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful new launch. Thread work, beautiful concept saree in double warp, elegant combination too. Turning border. The saree is in goldish yellow color, excellent color with very different small buttas, arrow pattern done using gold and silver alternatively all over. Very beautiful one. Top is a borderless concept and lower part we have a beautiful thread design, thread border turning in a thread concept, completely pink thread used here, silk thread. See, the Veena work is also done using the gold and silver for the flowers. Very elegant border, beautiful one. And we have a contrast dark Rani pink color, red and pink mixed color pallu. Pallu also have the Veena work concept, both gold and silver jari used. Beautiful and grand pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent concept saree in thread work, beautiful one, handcrafted one too with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A turning design sarees in thread weaving. The complete saree here is done using thread weaving here. A traditional, beautiful collection. The saree here is a dark green. It's almost an algae green in a deep color, black mixed dark green color. Very elegant one with the arrow design, small buttas all over the saree. That is done using yellow and pink color silk threads and borderless concept in the top, and we have a very beautiful thread turning border on the bottom. It is done using pink again, and we have the Veena work done using the yellow colors for the flowers. Very beautiful weaving it is. Workmanship is very heavy and beautiful work here. The complete pallu is a thread work, the Veena work pallu, pink color used for the pallu design, and inside that we have yellow for the Veena work. Same color plain blouse piece. Very elegant, beautiful concept sarees, completely hand weaved with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread turning design, excellent color combination sarees. Here we have a beautiful light brown color, very beautiful color it is, with a pink thread used for the turning design. Both gold and silver jari used for Veena work in the turning. Very different, very excellent one, exclusive pattern, and the small buttas are given in arrow shape in both silver and gold jari. The borderless in the top and a very beautiful turning thread border design in the bottom. And we have a light pink color contrast pallu. Pallu is also very pretty with the Veena work using the silver jari work and gold jari work. Very beautiful one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful for the pastel lovers. This is an apt saree, completely handmade with authentic silk work.